Yo, what's up? Back at it as promised, guys. Back to back 240 videos, more content. How you guys doing? So as you guys can see, we got the 240 as you previously guys saw. We did the door cards and we got that big speaker hole. So today is the day we're going to be doing this audio installation. So I'm supposed to have one more of these and haven't got it yet, but this is a system I use in pretty much all my cars. I've used it in the Z, perfect. Ferrari, perfect. I have it pretty much for the Supra, the 240 and the 200SX as well, but super simple. Comment down below if you guys think I should start offering audio kits at Trigger Spec, because these are pretty relatively simple. This kit will have a second one of these too. It'll be like 425 bucks or something like that, but you get a 1000-watt amp, two 450-watt 6x9 sets of speakers, one 1400-watt 12-inch subwoofer, amp kit, battery terminals. So you guys saw we have the LRB door card, so the 6x9 is gonna go right there. And then I'm waiting on the LRB seat delete and the rear shelf thing, and then two more 6x9s go there. Amp will be here, subwoofer will be here, so super exciting. So yeah, let's unbox these and show you guys how we're gonna throw them on. One hardware set, speaker bracket, speaker itself, speaker cover. And then all the boxes come with a cutout for the speaker. As you guys can see, we have the inner diameter and the outer with the holes, so you can use it to mock it. Alright, so as some of you guys might know, we bought a new build that we're going to be starting building soon on the channel. And with that being said, today's sponsor for our video is related to the build. I want to give a huge shout out to Alloy Works. This is like my second or third time working with them now. I appreciate you guys big time every time for hooking me up. Some of you guys might have seen this on Instagram, sneak peeks. This is our newest build, Rafa. It's a Toyota Tundra that we're going to be rebuilding. But on this, when I got it, needs timing belt, water pump, all kinds of stuff that needs to be done to it. So while I was in there, I was like, oh, let me see if I could get a new radiator for it as well. So Alloy Works came in clutch, sent me this beautiful triple core radiator for this truck, and so I unboxed it right now. Check it out. Very nice. The welds look pretty nice on everything. End tanks look nice. Mounting brackets look very nice. The drain port is actually very nice. Quality piece, is not plastic unlike some of the other brands. This is a nice brass fitting. Inside the radiator looks pretty clean and nice. Obviously I wash everything before use. So I believe this radiator can be used with manual, which this truck is manual, or automatics. These are like the little cooled transmission coolers that come built into these. We won't be utilizing these, so we're just gonna cap them. And yeah, let's flip it around. So came very nicely packed, but we're gonna flip this guy around. Front too, very nice. This thing is huge, very big radiator. And this is the top tank portion, and from the front you guys can check it out. Very nice quality. Comes a nice cap, nice pressure valve screw, nice pressurized cap as well. Inside you see all the cores, looking very nice. Everything looks very good. So again, huge shout out Alloy Works for sponsoring today's video. You guys saw how nice that radiator is. Now let me show you guys what came on this truck. This clapped out plastic radiator right here. That is pretty much done though. So yeah, like I said, I got a ton of stuff for this coming up that we'll be doing, and I'll have a whole video on how this thing performs and when we install it and all that stuff. But I just wanted to say thank you, Alloy Works, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in any of their products, go check them out. They have a variety of stuff, very good quality stuff too, for affordable prices. All right, so just like that with some self taps, we self tapped it into our door to keep the bracket in, and then you use the normal hardware to put the speaker here. You have your wires, positive and negative. Gonna run it through the speaker wires that came provided. Positive and negative, same thing. You guys are gonna want to use these tile crimp fittings, heat gun, and we changed out it. So we did the heat crimp like that, and then come into the wires, heat crimp like that, and now it's ready to go to the speaker. So next thing, we got our speaker in the back, the positive and the negative, as you guys can see. Connect the wire and then go ahead and put it in, and then pass the screws through these four, and you're set to go. And if you want to put the face on it too, which is this, you go ahead and slap it on. Alright, so we got the driver's side. Same thing, super easy. Sorry, got a little dark, but let me turn the lighting. Came out super nice. Same thing right there. Looks like that. Hopefully that looks sick. So it's getting dark, but we're gonna continue this stuff when I get the rear seat delete and stuff.